Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to draw on Zoom shared screen. So actually you just need to choose the right option on Zoom meetings. However, that tool is very cool and it needs to be used because it's a strong one, so you can get a better experience on Zoom by using that very beautiful tool. So first, you just need to be signed in on Zoom, either on Zoom app or on Zoom.us. Secondly, you just need to create or schedule a Zoom meeting. So to schedule a Zoom meeting on a date, you will click on schedule this icon, or from here schedule on the top, on the middle top. Then you will fill the blanks, then click on save. So let's do the simple step and click on new meeting. Here you can adjust your or use or choose your audio device and virtual camera, then click on start. Alright, here you have too many options below the screen. So what you're gonna do is to go to whiteboard or go to share, then click on documents, whiteboard, then click on share. So everyone can get into your sharing screen. Here you can draw by using your fingers if you are using the phone, or by your mouse. Okay, here you can draw everything you want, maybe like that. And here you can adjust the colors. Here is too much uh, tools. In this bar you can use the highlighter too, and you can clear what you already draw. Also you can what yeah you can use this bars, and you can use the shape of what you want to draw too. And yeah, there are too many tools that you will that it they will be known by you when you practice the drawing on uh, the sharing screen on Zoom. So guys, this is the video. This is how you can draw on the sharing screen on Zoom. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next video.